god, I look so funny. But today I am starting the day by coloring my mom's hair. I'm also going to attempt to cut her hair. I have mixed this color that I got. I actually bought this set of ammonia-free hair color, and so I mixed color and the developer. I weighed both of them and I've put like 15 grams of the color and the developer. And right now I've set up this really nice, I'll show you in a bit, like I have a mirror for her so she can see what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna attempt to color her hair. So hope it goes well. I mean, I have colored her hair before, but not with like the professional dye, like the ammonia-free dye. But I'm hoping like the process is just going to be the same. I'm just touching up her roots. So that's how I'm starting today morning.
একদম মাথায় ওটাই আমার এখন ওইটাই চাই, কেউ শুনেই না মতো কতটুকু কাটলে ভালো লাগবে
এতটুকুই কাটা, এর চেয়ে বেশি কাটা। That actually turned out better than I expected it to. And I actually initially thought of just blow drying it straight, but then she was like, why don't you curl it? So I curled it for her. And yeah, I hope you guys also enjoyed the whole process of it. It was something that I think I want to try again. I am a little bit more confident about my hair cutting skills.